Kumbakonam. I completed my MSc Computer Science from Shastra University, Kumbakonam. After completing my MSc Computer Science, my friend refers to the QSpider Institute. I come to QSpider and joining Java Full Stack Development course. My first batch handled by the Nanti sir in Java and SQL batch from Nagaraj sir. After that, Karnika ma'am handled over the Java batch. Both Nandi sir and Karnika ma'am teach me a lot in Java. I am gaining more knowledge from Karnika ma'am and Nandi sir. After completing my Java and SQL, then I am going to a WebTech batch from Tamil Sennan sir. Tamil Sennan sir will give me more knowledge in WebTech. They daily assign tasks. I completing in the time. Parallelly, I am learning Amit sir J2W class. It's go very goodly, and I am completing a full stack development project from the Amit sir guidance. After that, I am going to the company. I am placed in a good company in good package. Thanks to QSpiders. Thank you.